parallel and series resistance combination problems. Let us see, first of all, we know about the series formula and parallel formula. What is the whenever the resistors are connected in series connection, then how can we find the equivalent resistance? By using this formula, R equivalent is equals to R1 plus R2 plus R3 plus so on, like this. Let us see here, this is the resistance from across X and Y. The four resistance are there, R1, R2, R3, R4, or which can be connected as like this also. This is X and Y, and also by using like this also. This X and this Y. These all are in series connection because of there is no joining at any points of the resistors. So the main equivalent formula is R equivalent is equals to R1 plus R2 plus R3 plus so on, etc. See the parallel. Parallel means which is like a 1 by 1. 1 by 1 means like this. The connection should be like here. So R1, R2, R3, R4 across X and Y. So here R equivalent is equals to the reciprocal of sum of all resistance. So 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3 plus so on. The final formula is, or here 1 by R equivalent is equals to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. Then final formula R equivalent is equals to like this, R1 R2 by R1 plus R2. If our two resistors are connected in parallel, if it is 3 resistance, then R equivalent can goes to R1 R2 R3 by R1 R2 plus R2 R3 plus R3 R1, like this. If four resistors are connected in parallel, then R equivalent is equals to R1 R2 R3 R4 by R1 R2 R3 plus R2 R3 R4 plus R3 R4 R1 plus and R4 R1 R2, like this. So that means in denominator cases, if there are two resistance, separation of two terms. If it is 3, then separation of two terms. If there is 4, the separation of three terms can be separating 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. If it is 5 means 5 will come, and here resistors are 4 will come. So like this in parallel resistors, this is the main formula you have to be thinking. Okay, see the one of the circuit like here. I want to draw. This is the circuit. So here 12 volts, 2 ohms, 3 ohms, 4 ohms, 6 ohms, 6 ohms, 9 ohms, like this. So first we need, how can we solve this circuit? So what is series, what is parallel? So what is series, what is parallel? We have to find. See here, this is one of the joint, and here also one of the joint. So these continuation joint have, this is no joint according from here, no resistors can be joined here. So that's why this is common thing of one line only. So from these resistor can be joined with the two resistors. Joining with two resistors. So here 6 ohms resistors can be joining with 6 ohms and 9 ohms. So here 6 and 9 ohms are in series. 6 and 9 ohms are in series. So here two series means like this circuit can be drawn here like so. Here 6 plus 9 ohms, here 6 ohms, here 4 ohms, here 3 ohms, here 2 ohms. Why we have taken as this only? Why we have should not taken as this? Because of the the battery or cell is connecting left side. The battery or cell is connecting left side. So we can using here from the right side to left side by calculating part from right to left side. So from right to left side means we can get in here. So 9 plus 6, 15 ohms, and here 6 ohms, and again 4 ohms and 3 ohms and 2 ohms. Now these two are in parallel. These two are in parallel. See, this is 1 by 1 together. Okay, so that's why 6 ohms and 15 ohms. Like 6 and 15 ohms, we can get this is Rp. So Rp is equals to 6 into 15 by 6 plus 15 because of two resistors only here. So 6 into 15 by 6 plus 15 means 90 by 21. 90 by 21. 3 7s are 3 30s are. So 30 by 7 will come. This is Rp. So again the circuit can be drawn here. Like this. So here Rp, and this is 4 ohms, and this is 3 ohms, and this is 2 ohms. This is here 12 volts. So like this, here 3 ohms can be across the joint resistors are 4 ohms and Rp resistors. So these two are in series. These two are in series. And these series resistors can be across the 3 ohms is these two are in parallel. I don't understand. Like this here, the circuit will becomes like this. So here 6 Rp how much? So 4 plus 30 by 7. 4 plus 30 by 7. So here 3 ohms and here 2 ohms. Now these two are in parallel. Already we draw here. These two are in parallel. So parallel means 3 into like this 4 plus 30 by 7 by 3 plus 4 plus 30 by 7 here. Like this. So here Rp2 we can write it. Rp2 is equals to. Then 3 into LCM 7, 28 plus 30 divisible by here 3 plus that means 4 plus 7. So 28 plus 30 by 7 like this. So 3 into 28 plus 30 how much? 58 divided by 7 by all divided by 7. 21 plus 28 plus 30. So here 7 could cancel. 3 into 58 divided by 21 plus 28 plus 30. So 3 8s are 24, 3 5s 15, 16 17, 174 by. So 8 9, 3 plus 2 6, 6 plus 3 9, 99. You understand? So here thought table 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9, 3 5s are 15, 3 8s are 24, 58 by 33, 58 by 33. So this is Rp2. So whenever these two resistance, see here, whenever these two resistance are parallel, we can get the value 58 by 33 ohms. Now this is 12 volts battery. So here connection 2 ohms and 58 by 33 ohms. Here 12 volts. So these two are in series. So here series across the battery 12 volts. So R equivalent is equals to, final R equivalent is equals to 2 plus 58 by 33 ohms. Then we will get 66 plus 58 by 33, that is equals to 58 plus 66, how much? 8, 6, 14, 6 plus 6, 6, 12, 124 by 33. So you can calculate easily 33 of 124. 33 of 124. You can show here 33 to 66, 33 3 is 99, 33 4s, 4 3s are 12, 4 3s are 12, 132. So here you can go for 399. So 124 out of 99. So here 5 will come, then 11 out of 9, 25. So then 0.0. Then how much will come? 33 out of, so 8 3s are 24. 8 3s are 24. So 7 3s 21. 7 3s are 21, 22, 23. So 231. So 9 will come, and 4 of 3, 19. So again we can 0 here, we have put here. Now 33 4s, 5, 6 will come approximately. 6 3s are 18, and 6 3s are 18, 198. So remember minus 8 will come here. So 3 point approximately 75 ohms can be going on here. So this is R equivalent. So from this circuit we have to find the R equivalent like this process. I think you are understanding very well. So you could not understand, so you can try to new circuit, and you have to draw your new circuit, and you have to find the how can we calculate from the series and parallel combination for this process, entire this process. Are you understand? So I will try to very much, you have to be going on very easy processing for this type of problems. I can go with the tomorrow class, and day after tomorrow class also parallel and series combination of resistance. So how can we find the current and voltage from the series resistance and parallel resistance from the tomorrow class? I will explanation clearly. So you have to be clear, this is R equivalent, and whenever this is from this circuit you have to find the current very easily. I is equals to V by R. Already V is given 12 volts and R is 3.75 will come. So you can calculate the current will become. Clear? You understand? So once I repeat, I can see here from the beginning. This is the main circuit. So main circuit, this is the main circuit. So main circuit means, so here the joining line. Here the joining line can going on here through the one line only. So that means across like this. So this is the series. So this is series with this one parallel. Like this. You understand? So here 9 plus 6, 15 ohms. The 15 ohms and 6 ohms are in parallel. And again these are in, when the parallel connection, the parallel will coming as how much? 4 plus 30 by 7 ohms. Again 4 plus 30 by 7 ohms and 3 is parallel, and will come 58 by 3, and 58 by 3 will come 2 ohms is the series, and directly we can using R1 plus R2. So only from this circuit we can process like these two are in series with parallel, and these two are in series with this one parallel, and this finally two are in series. So what, how many circuits? 1, 2 and 3 and 4 circuits will come. How can be 1, 2, 3, 4 like 6 circuit, 6 resistors are connected between parallel and series combination. We can get the dissolve these entire only single resistor final value of the R equivalent is from 5 circuits. So you have to listen carefully, and you have to draw own circuits. You have to draw own circuits and try to be calculating, and you could not get that value, so you can send me your entire homework. Draw your own network, own circuits like this. Okay, clear? Draw your own circuits and own resistors. You have value, own resistors value can given and you have to doing your notebook, and you have to send me that notebook, and you have to send me that calculation part and everything. I will search and where is the mistakes and where is the I have to give the guidance, I have to give a clarification for that given problem for your sending messages. Clear? Thank you.